morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Basil. Okay. Why is everyone's camera turned off? Please turn on your camera. Hurry up.
Ma'am, I'll come in 1 minute.
Then come fast, okay? Haya,
Good
Farida,
morning. Ma'am,
Joanne.
wait a minute. Okay.
Turn on
Yeah,
your
so
camera.
present.
Hi, Sidra. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, Haya, I can see you. Haya, did you prepare
Hello.
it? You were supposed to prepare something today.
Um,
Hi, Farida. Good morning. Joanne, where's your uniform? Joanne, you have to unmute first.
I
Joanne, I
couldn't
can't see your
find it.
uniform.
I couldn't find it.
Sorry?
What? I couldn't find it.
You couldn't find it. Tomorrow make sure you're in uniform, okay? Okay. Aishin,
Okay.
do I need to ask you again personally? Farida, you're looking nice. Aishin and Ishan, please turn on your camera. So how was the weekend? Just a thumbs up.
I went to a vacation, 5 hour ride.
5 hour ride.
Bus, double decker bus.
How
To
was
my
it?
friend's farmhouse.
And how was the journey?
Which good.
It was good.
Yeah.
No one else
I
went anywhere?
went with him.
Did you enjoy it? That's nice. Aishin,
and and when we were coming home we reached at 5 morning, ma'am. Morning, so I had to sleep right when I got there.
you had to wake up early. Oh,
Waked
Haya,
up right now.
did you make the PPT, Haya? You have to unmute first.
What was it about?
You are going to make some MCQs related to our solar system.
Oh yeah,
You can ask.
actually I was gonna do it, then I forgot the theme. The theme. But if you want, I can make it now.
Now we make it by tomorrow.
Okay. What was it? What was the theme? What was the theme? Look at this.
We are doing the solar system.
Okay, so we can just put the planets and stuff.
Questions? Yes. Don't put the answers because
Ma'am.
answers our friends will say the answers. But you should know the answers, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now one more thing. Who is going to present their Google Calendar? I want someone to present their Google Calendar. Who is willing to do that?
I will present.
Yes, Farida.
Me.
Farida raised.
Hey, Mohammed.
Sorry, Farida.
Ma.
Next time. Everyone is presenting now. Okay. Show me today's class. Okay, you have science first, assembly, math, science, second language, and English, right?
No. Ma'am, we have no way.
Yes, but
We have assembly, then math, then English. No way you're taking my time.
everyone
I will set a
just
calendar.
open and see whether you are able to see your calendar and see the timetable there. Farida, why is your Canva open? up. Okay, yes. Math, second language, English, science. You're able to see, right? Okay, Barira. Good job. Barira can close. What about the others? Are you able to see? Just check. Yes, right?
Hmm.
Now,
Man, look what I made.
okay, let
Am
me.
I able to see?
Okay, good Aishin. What is it?
Can anyone guess what it is? It's Naruto. Naruto.
It's Naruto?
Yeah. Naruto. I'm
But
Naruto.
Naruto's dress is orange, not blue.
I I didn't. I couldn't find like orange. So I just used blue.
Who's the other person?
Why? I just made it myself.
That
Well,
I don't know. Anyone knows who this is?
it's not a character. I did Riding Hood.
Red
No.
Riding Hood.
If it's Red Riding Hood, then why is there a pig top on it? I think it is from Nisha. It can be anything because it's all red.
Yeah, it depends on your imagination, right? It can be
Yeah,
anything.
we should Peppa Pig.
It's a Peppa
No,
Pig.
not Peppa Pig. Yeah, I know Peppa Pig.
Sidra
Is
says it
this?
is Riding Hood. Lazel says it's Puppy. Any other answer from
Look,
anyone
see,
else?
I got this idea, like this fat pig
Ishan, why
thing.
so silent, Ishan?
Got this idea. Wait, let me show you where I got this pig hat idea from.
Ishan,
Yeah.
good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Villa is also very silent. What happened? There's no energy. It's a
Nothing.
Monday. Aishin, where are you going, Aishin? You know the classroom rules, right?
I
You're
can't
supposed to
find it
sit.
now.
Okay, everyone, stand up.
My orange ran out of ink. That's why Naruto was blue.
Stand up. You have to do exactly opposite to what I say, okay?
Oh, sit down.
Okay. Ready?
Wait, I'm gonna
Marina,
do
we
it
are going to play a
wrong.
small game in which you have to do exactly opposite to what I say. So let's
Okay.
see how many of you, Aishin, turn on your camera. How many of you are paying attention? Raise your right hand. Raise your left hand. I never said to put the right hand down. You are not paying attention. Okay, raise both of your hands. Maya, Ishan, you are not paying attention. You're supposed to do exactly opposite. Okay, close your right eye.
I can't close one. No one, close your eyes. No
Okay,
one.
Asmadya, Khaya, Lazel is doing. What about the others? Okay, Aishin is doing. Yes, Sidra?
Miss, if I close my eyes, I'm feeling sleepy.
You don't sleep.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone open your eyes.
I want to sit as your Naruto.
No, Barira, you have to put that there. Now you have to focus. Come back to your feet. How many of you are sleeping? Show me your hands. Everyone is sleepy that you are not able to raise your hands. Okay,
I
Ishan
am.
is sleepy.
I am not. I'm not sleepy.
Okay, Joan is not sleepy. That's good. Lazel, what do you think?
There. I am not sleepy.
Ishan, that's your uniform. I was just seeing your face, so I didn't notice. Where is the uniform, Ishan? Ishan? Make sure you have uniform, okay? See, ma'am is here. Ma'am is ready to teach you maths. Hi, kids.
Aisha, ma'am?
No, it's math period, right? So,
Yes.
Amina ma'am will be teaching you math from today onwards.
But I'm Good morning. KC1. Good morning.
Bye bye.
Good morning, ma'am.